So we are going to start with the exercise 1, which is a base plate. So first to do is to click on new, select part and click OK. So after clicking OK, you select plane. So we're going to select top plane and we click on sketch. We click on cycle. We draw the first internal cycle. We draw the second cycle. So we're going to click for construction because we are going to draw another cycle on it. It's going to be our reference one. So this is going to be the third cycle and the fourth cycle. So we click on dimension. This is 56 millimeter in diameter. This is 115 millimeter in diameter. Enter. This one is 30 millimeter in diameter, and this is 15 millimeter in diameter. Then we come here, we click on the button and select circular sketch pattern. So we click on this cycle and this cycle as well. So the number that we need is 3, so we put on 3. So it's going to be like this. Then we click OK. So after that, we click on this point and click on this reference cycle. Then we come here and click on coincidence. So this, we're going to click on this internal cycle, click this one and click this one. Then now click on make equal. So if this tab is not popping out, you go to the left side and click equal. So we're done with this. We click on this and this. You hold Control to select multiple selection. We click make equal. So after that, I think we are done. So we click on line, select the first cycle, second cycle, line again, first cycle, second cycle, line again, first cycle, second cycle. So we click and see which one we have. So this is tangent, so that means this cycle and this line are tangent. Also we have tangent here, that means this line and this cycles are tangent. So let's click on this as well. Okay, this one is also tangent, we are good. This one tangent, so they are all tangent. After that, we click on trim. We come here and click on trim to closest. Then we click this and this. Also trim this arc, trim this arc, trim this arc. We trim this arc, trim this arc, trim this arc. So we have it. So now we are going to extrude. We click on extrude post base, and thickness is 10 millimeter. So we put on our 10 since 10 here. It's already okay. We click OK. So this is our drawing. So next is to select the material. You click on material, you right click on it, we click on edit material. So what we are going to select is plain carbon steel. So we have different kinds of material here. So this is the steel folder. You click on it to expand. We now try to locate plain carbon steel. So this is plain carbon steel. You click on apply and you close. So the next is for you to save. So thank you for watching.